vendors, remember, return your POS with the pack that you were given. Return the POS with the pack that you were given. No vendor should leave here with their POS machine. Please make sure you return